That we have started this IIC Institution Innovation Council in this recently, and would like to request all of you to participate actively in this IIC Council, and whatever we are trying to put it, you have to execute them. And especially here, the most important thing is we have to encourage our students to come up with the good ideas, because that idea may not cost much, but for the implementation or as well as to give the necessary support, especially sometimes you may have to give the inputs regarding the softwares or hardwares, and also if necessary I would like to take the help of the other institutions who are having the like-mindedness to use their laboratories. Especially some of the laboratories are there in the Visakhapatnam, where by paying a little amount you can use their labs very well. Especially for the some of the things like motherboards or any other what do you call tinkering or the building, whatever it is, because they have a good lab there and they are ready to help us. And similarly, there are another 2 more labs are there in Bhimavaram College, one of the Swarnakara College. There also laboratories are there. So we would like to take their help, and we will try to promote at least in the next year, that is the academic year 2024-25. I would like to make it a point at least 2 good ideas should be implemented. Whether it could be entrepreneurship, it could be R&D, whatever it is, but it should be related to our society. And here I would like to emphasize one thing very clearly. In the first year BTech, all of us are sending for the CSP, Community Social Projects. If you are able to find out, identify the problems there. The problems there could be a smaller problem where we can give a good solution for that, where we can as well involve them to get the solution. Because here I would like to give you one simple example. In Rajamanya Mandal, there was a community problem was there. The problem is very clear. There was a small stream is going on, and previously they used to get the water for the irrigation and other things. Somehow that stream got blocked. They are not getting the enough water. Water is getting wasted, and these people are suffering for the water to cultivate their field. Our student only, they came up with some problem, and we have involved the villagers, our own students. They made our students and the villagers, they put a small barrage there, and they have diverted the water. Because of that, without even a single pipe, in that particular village, about 250 acres of land coming under the irrigation. The idea was our student only, not somebody else. That's why what I am trying to say is, if you can motivate our students in the first year itself, whatever is the problems that identifying small problems, we will be able to help them. In a way, it will be helpful for both the community as well as the college. So in this we have identified various members, and those members, as I know, Ravikumar, Somaraju sir, and Ramesh Babu, and Vamsi Krishna Raju, and Madam Suma, Durga Devi Madam, Jyoti Madam, Yashwant Anil, non-teaching where he can help us in the other activities, and Ramesh, Srikanth, Swami Naidu, Jayasri Lakshmi, KVV Ramana. And other than this, we have 3 experts. One is Dr. Satyaji Rao, who accepted to come and visit us and give us the whatever is the inputs are required. He came, all of you might have remembered, he came for one of the occasions here. He gave a very good motivational speech to the students. The another person is our own student, Kirti Prasad, who is doing a very good business. Now his turnover is crossed about 10 crores. Very good business he started. That also, first he tried to help his own people in Anantapuram district. Now since that model got established, he has extended to the various places. Now he is giving about 40 members as the entrepreneurs and other support, and also he is running a business about 10 crore turnover. So in that way, he is also helpful for us. He is another person, and another person is Devika Incubation Center External Expert. Apart from that, we have students in this particular council, and these students basically they are different student coordinators. They will help us to identify the thing, especially to motivate the students. Small issues we can take care of. And what we are trying to propose in this particular academic year is, we want to conduct one workshop on the entrepreneurship and innovation as a career opportunity. Because some of the students, especially in the first year, when I am trying to interact with them, the last semester, 2 girl students made it very clear they want to become the entrepreneurs. I was very happy when I was talking.
ఇందులో ప్రపోజ్ చేసిన యాక్టివిటీసే కాకుండా మరి ఇన్ కేస్ మీ ఐడియాస్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే కూడా సార్కి సబ్మిట్ చేయండి. సబ్మిట్ చేస్తాం, కాల్ డిస్కస్ చేసి ఇఫ్ దేర్ ఈస్ ఎనీ పాసిబిలిటీ దెన్ విల్ కండక్ట్ ఆల్ దీస్ యాక్టివిటీస్ along with situations.
ఇందులో అందరికీ తెలుసుగా రవికుమార్ గారు వైస్ ప్రెసిడెంట్, సోమరాజ్ గారు కన్వీనర్ ఫర్ దిస్ యాక్టివిటీస్. సిన్స్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యు నో ఇట్, ఐ విల్ మెన్షన్.
వాట్ మేబీ ఏ యాక్టివిటీ చేసినా కానీ వన్ థింగ్ పెట్టుకోవాలి, డాక్యుమెంటేషన్ కంపల్సరీ పెట్టుకోవాలి.
In this IIC, the video proof is mandatory, documental proof is mandatory, photo is that mandatory. So I hope that all our coordinators is that possible for that, comfortable for that in your roles. Okay, already మనకి 1.5 బ్యాక్ మనకి ఈ పొజిషన్స్ ఇచ్చేసామండి, అఫీషియల్ అనౌన్స్మెంట్ ఇచ్చేసాము. Who is the coordinator member and who is the subordinator with respect of the coordinators and the student coordinators and with the help of the student members. Okay, so mutual ga meeranta kuda students interact చేసేసి వాళ్ళ థాట్స్ ని అన్నిటిని కూడా ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయగలిగితే బాగుంటుంది. Is that every year we will be having some of the ranking system, and this is also having some of the funding system also. When you are going to successfully overcome in that the startup programs and innovation cells. So R&D మనం స్ట్రాంగ్గా ఉంటే, రియల్గా స్టార్టప్స్ కానీ R&D కానీ స్ట్రాంగ్గా ఉంటే ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్ చాలా గ్రో అప్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ కోఆపరేట్ విత్ ఇన్ దట్ IICs. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Since this has come into the picture, మనం NACకి వెళ్ళాము. నెక్స్ట్ టైం NACకి మనం ఏదైతే ఇప్పుడు కొన్ని చేసామో, నెక్స్ట్ టైం NACకి అన్నీ జరగాలి అని అనుకుంటే కనుక ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్లో ఏ యాక్టివిటీ జరిగినా, వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ సెషన్, లేకపోతే ఒక లెక్చర్, వర్క్షాప్, ఏదైనా కానీ